Hi guys, welcome back. I have some leftovers from my last straight pour, Mothers of the Earth. If you haven't watched that video, please check it out. Today I am experimenting with different pouring mediums because these colors here are mixed with Floetrol and the base coat is mixed with Max Meyer fiss'Up. So I want to see if this paint here can react in the same way. Maybe I know it won't react in the same way, but I want to see how it will work with different pouring mediums. So here I have the Decoart Metallics in emerald green, sapphire, and this is silver with a touch of extreme sheen in 24 karat gold. Okay, so let's put down the base coat. As you can see, I am using a second chance canvas, and I realized after scraped it that this canvas is even not regular, so this is not a perfect rectangular, and well, I don't think it is good for sale, but maybe somebody will like it anyway. Well, I will use the same cup for the pour. So some base coat. We're going with a dirty cup. So I'll go with the sapphire and then pour it from a pie. Then the gold, and now the emerald green. Okay, this is enough. I think this one will be very different from the Mother of the Earth. Okay, so let's rock. We'll have even some suds. Why not? Okay guys, so let's give it a fast torch. air bubbles. I'll give it a few minutes and then I'll start to tilt. Okay, so I start to move it. Okay, I think I'll pour here some flow extender because I didn't have too much paint in my pot, so I need it to extend more. Hope it works. Pearls are growing. This is pretty cool. So mixing two different pouring mediums. I didn't expect this because actually with the Max Meyer fiss'Up I have never had success with pearls. Only with Floetrol and with liquid text pouring medium. this is after about 30 minutes, and yeah, I think it's amazing. I didn't expect the pearls, and here we have a lot of beautiful emerald pearls. Sorry for the reflection, but the dark fresh paint is like this. Look at these pearls in here. It's so cool, this painting, because we have these colors in here, like if I don't know if the painting is blended, I don't know. And here in the dark part that I didn't like, all these beautiful pearls. I don't know if they will grow more than this, but this is super cool for me. Show you from closer. We don't have a lot of the gold, and I'm sorry for that, but anyway, this is beautiful. I think it's a good thing to challenge myself using colors that I usually don't, like the green, for example. But I wonder how beautiful this painting would be if I use the amethyst instead of the green. I need to try for sure. Well, thank you for being here, guys, as always. Have a beautiful day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.